the restaurant, I called James, but no one answered the phone. So I left a message at the desk. I was feeling really great and thinking about my plans for the wedding. Until I looked up from my plate at the table in front of me. It looked like, no, it can't be. It's not. I almost choked on my food. Oh my God. It's him. I became terrified. He stood up from the table and was coming towards me. He said, well, well, look who's here. Surprised to see me, I bet. He pointed a gun in my side. Now get your ass up from the table very slowly and move towards the door. I remember thinking, he must have followed me from the hotel. How did he get? I don't sure. I was trying to speak, but no words would come out. I finally said, where are you taking me, Sly? You double-crossed me, bitch. And no one double-crossed Sly. And for that, you'll pay. I got it from the table, and Sly was behind me with a gun in my back. How did you get out of jail? Glad to see me? Those son of a bitches can't hold me. They're all too stupid. There was a mix-up. But by the time they realized their mistake, I'm long gone, baby. How did you find me? Your dear, sweet mother. All I had to do was bring up a little kiss to your mother and call her mom. I got all the information I needed, baby. And then I talked to the porters. I believe your second family. My family? Why did you? Nah. What do you think? I'm a monster? No, I didn't harm her. And what about the eyewitness? Witness Sanders? Page 68.